everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the amount of kinetic energy E is directly proportional to the square, oh that's the keyword square, of V. So you can then see that this V square or V square, the first general equation I'm going to come up with, since we need to write the equation connecting E and V, direct proportion, it will be K, in this case, V square, because of the wordings down there, okay? So if you miss out on the square word, then you will most likely will not be able to get this question right. So do be careful when you read the question. And we are also given two values. These two values allow us to find the value of K. How? By substituting it literally. So I will have 18750 equals to K times 25 square. Okay, so this is my blue and this is my red. And from here, I can then get my value of K rather easily. Just need to divide by 25 square on both sides. This gives me a value of 30. So therefore, the answer, which is the equation that they want us to write, will be E equals to 30 V square. Once I have this, it becomes pretty important for subsequent question, which I'm going to copy down here. Because now they give me the number for E, which is 9720 equals to 30 V square. How can I find my V? Yep, I'm going to divide by 30 on both sides. And then this will give me 324. So my final answer will then requires me to square root 324, and because V is a speed, so I will not consider the negative value of V. V equals to 18. Again, this expression is important, this equation. For my part C, where now they give me the value of V. So my E is equals to 30 times 3 square. This is my V. So final answer, 270. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.